Our newest debutant is on the field. He seems excited to be here. Ooh, that's a rookie mistake there, really. Should have just left it alone. It's time for the rookie to shine. He's got to really hold on and be patient from here on in. Life's all about timing, isn't it? Exactly the way it was a few weeks back when she said yes. Big disappointment there. This is not looking good now. He's got to focus and just keep his head down. He's now getting some help from an experienced campaigner. This is good. Another chance, it's up in the air. This is a do or die moment for him. He's dived forward. Great catch. Wait a minute. It's being referred upstairs. Waits with bated breath now. It's going well. Going well.
Yes!
And yes! The decision's in his favour. Great choice, terrific comeback, and a brilliant performance by the debutant. We'll be right back after the commercial break.